Right, and ladies and gentlemen, it's new chipper blade time. 2 blades, £205 delivered. I'll show the old ones. There it is. Here's one of them. Knackered. But they're genuine Vermeer ones, so they might be able to be sharpened up. I've got a bloke down in Sussex which does sharpening for me. Fresh, brand new ones been put in. A few weeks back we had a bit of metal go through. That bit of metal went through the chipper. It was in the pile of rubbish. Not good. Generator making cups of tea. Yeah, easy, accessible, all this. It's just that the nuts are huge, big. My nuts are bigger than your nuts.